Hello guys, hello everyone. So in this video, I will explain how to do final test semester 1 for primary 5. Okay, Archimedes, Thomas, Isaac, and AJB. So we don't have a Zoom meeting because you will directly start doing the final test project by following the rubric and the video tutorial on this post. So this video tutorial will be uploaded later. The deadline is until Friday, December 3rd, 2021 at this time, guys. Okay, before we start to finish the final test, you need to open and read the final test rubric on this post. Okay, so this is the rubric. You just need to click on it. Okay, so this is the rubric. What will you do is you will create a new versions of both race game. What is new in this project is the backdrop. Okay, guys. So what is the task result? The task result is a scratch project of the board race game, which you can send the project to the classroom in 3 ways. Choose one of them. You can send a scratch link. Okay, you can send the scratch file. But if you cannot submit link or file, you can send a photos or video of the whole project, including the blocks and the screen or user screen. Okay, now let's start do the project. First, you need to remix a bot race project, a new versions. Okay, so before you remix it, you need to sign in to scratch.meet.edu. Okay, so this is scratch.meet.edu, and I already signed in. So now I will go to the second step, remix the project on this link. So this is the link. I have put the link on the descriptions. You just need to copy it and then open it on the new tab. Okay, I will open on a new tab. Now this is the project. You can click see inside, and then as you see, there are no codes or blocks. There are just the sprite and the available backdrop. Okay, you will do the same thing with the previous meeting, but it has different or a little different steps, okay, or requirements. So before you start, you just need to click remix and then rename the title of the project to your name. For example, my name is Nurul, and then your class. For example, I'm from primary 5 Archimedes. Okay. Now, after you rename the title, you can see the rubric again. I will open the rubric. Okay. After you remix the both race project, just like this, you will create customs. How to create custom? You will duplicate and edit the available bot custom. So the sprite has 3 different customs. Just like the previous meeting, the bot normal custom, the bot craze custom, and the bot win custom. Let's see it together. Okay, click on the bot sprite and then go to customs, and then it, right click on it, click duplicate, right click on it, click duplicate. Okay, and after that, you just need to edit or rename the custom name. Okay, the first one I will rename it to bot normal, and then the second custom I rename it bot crash. And then the third one is bot win. Okay, so I have three customs. So the bot normal, you don't need to change anything here, but for the bot crash, you should separate the parts of the bot, just like usual. Okay, separate it. And then the bot win, you need to give something, for example colors, to show the bot wins the game or reach the destination. Okay, so here I choose brush. For bot crash I choose selections, but for bot win, for bot crash I separate the parts of the bot by using selection tool. But for bot win, I will brush the colors on the sprite. Okay, so this is the brush tool. You just need to change the color, and then here you can change the width of the brusher. Okay, I will give something like this. You can draw it by yourself. You can do it same like the previous project, guys. So now, as you can see, there are three different customs. The first one is bot normal, the second one is bot crash, and the third one is bot win. Okay, I click bot normal because we will start with normal custom and then go back to the code. Okay, let's see the rubric. After we create customs, we will control the bot until it moves towards to the mouse pointer without glitching. Maybe you still remember how to do it, but the difference is the value of X and Y, or in the other word, the positions of the sprite, the starting positions. Okay, so now let's set the event on bot sprites by using the when green flag clicked. Okay, I will go to events and then drag and drop when green flag clicked. And after that, let's see it again. Following the event block, set the starting custom by switching the custom to bot normal. So we will set the initial custom. Go to loops, drag and drop, switch custom to bot normal. So every time the game is started, so custom will always starts with bot normal custom. Okay, I click the green flag. Okay, it works. Now the positions will start here. Okay, let's see it. So use the go to XY block to set the starting positions. So the value of X is negative 203 and the Y value is 120. Okay, go to motions, drag and drop, go to XY, and then X negative 203, Y-nya positive 120. Let's click the green flag. Okay, let's see it. It goes to the starting position. Okay, it works. Now, next, following the starting position block, control the movement of the sprite by using forever block to make it loop forever until it touches the dark blue polygon. So as you can see on the backdrop, so this is the dark blue here. This is the destinations of the bot. Okay, so the game will be stopped automatically if it touches this area. But if it doesn't touch this area, it will be repeated or loop again, again forever. Okay, so now we go to control and drag and drop forever block. Okay, after that, let's see it again. Make a conditions inside the forever block by using if then block. The conditions is if the sprite distance to the mouse pointer is greater than 5 pixels, then point the sprite towards mouse pointer and then move the sprite one step, just like this block. Okay, you have done this before, so I think you can do it again. So drag and drop if then block and then go to operator, put the greater than block, change it to 5, and then put here the variable of distance to mouse pointer. Okay, inside the if distance to mouse pointer greater than 5, then so we will put point towards mouse pointer and move one step. Okay, now click the green flag and see is the bot follow the mouse pointer. Okay, it follows the mouse pointer. Good. So it works. Let's see on Rubric. So we have done the controlling the bot movement. Okay, so we continue to the part of crashing the bot if it touches the red barriers. Okay, you will create another condition block inside the forever block and below, because and below the previous if then block, because we already have one if then block, so we just need to add another if then block again. Okay, so the conditions for the if then block again, if the sprite touches the red color, then switch the sprite custom to bot crash, set the sprite back to the starting position, switch the sprite custom to bot normal, just like this. Do you still remember this? I think you still remember. So we will make the bot crash. Okay, so go to control, drag and drop another if block, and then here we will check is the bot does the bot touch the red barriers. Okay, so go to sensing and drag and drop touching color on if then block. Okay, if touching color then. Now you need to click on the area of the color and use the color picker to choose the color here, the red color. Okay, if touching color red, then just like what is given on roof, it touch the red barriers, so the custom will switch to the bot crash. Okay, so you can see it. And then after the custom is switched to bot crash, the bot will back to be back to the starting position. So put the go to XY and then use the value of X and Y here. X negative 203, Y 120. And then after it back to the starting positions, switch custom to bot normal because it goes to normal. Okay, it backs to normal. After it crash, it backs to normal. Okay, let's see it together. I will touch the red area. Okay, it backs to the starting position. I will touch it again. It crash and it goes to a starting position. But as you can see, you don't see the switch custom. Okay, so to make the custom of the bot crash uh, shows on the stage, I think you should put the wait block. Okay, let's see it together. Okay, good. So put the wait block. So there is waiting time. So we can see the change of the custom if it touches the red barriers. Okay, good. It works. Now, this is if the bot touch the red color. And then now, let's see it again. We will make the bot moves, sorry, we will make the bot moves backward if it touches the green leaves. Okay, as you can see, there is a green area here. This is the leaves. If it touches the green leaves, it will move backward uh, three three steps. Okay, so we use another if block, and then again the same thing, touching color, change the color to green. So if touching color green, then it will move backward three steps. So move negative 3. Negative 3, it means that move backward because the number is negative. Move backward 3 steps, or in other words, move negative 3 steps. Let's say it together. I will click green flag. Okay, as you can see, it's an obstacle. Okay, if it touches the green leaves, it will make it stuck there. Okay, it's like that. Okay, good. It works. Now, let's see what is here. Boosting the bot speed if it touches the yellow circles. If touching yellow color, then move the sprite 3 steps. It is different with the when it touches the green leaves, it will move backwards 3 steps. But if it touches the yellow circles, so it will move 3 steps without negative. It means that it will move forward 3 steps. Okay. Drag and drop if block on control. Okay, here. Choose sensing, touching color. Just need to change the color to yellow. If touching color yellow, then what else? The movement will be added to 3 steps. Let's see it together. Oh, it's so slow, guys, but it's okay. You can change the movement. Okay, it is faster. Let it 1 step, guys. Let it 1 step. Okay, now glass. Reaching the destination's area if it touches the dark blue polygon. Okay, if the sprite or the bot touches the dark blue color, then switch the custom to the bot win and then stop the game automatically. Let's see it together. Go to control, put if then block. Now if the bot touch this color, okay, as you can see here, the blue color, okay, put sensing touching color to check if it's touch the colors, and then click on it, choose the color picker and hover until it finds the blue, dark blue area. Okay, if the block if the bot touch the color blue, if the bot touches the dark blue color, then let's see what happened on Rubric. Switch custom to bot win and stop all. Go to looks, switch custom to bot win and stop all. Stop all is in the control. Okay, let's see it. Stop all. Okay, to check it, I will put it here, not permanent, just to check it. I put it here now. I click the green flag. I want to see it works or not. Okay, it works. As you can see, the custom is changed and the game is stopped automatically. We don't need the score. Okay, we just need to concern about if it touches the color. So for the final test, there is no the calculations of the score. Okay, bring it back, the go to XY. This is not complete, guys. It close to complete. You need to add say blocks and sounds. Okay, so this is your job, to add the say blocks and the sounds. Okay, I will scroll the blocks first so you can follow all of the blocks. It's easy, guys, but this is your turn. I have guide you until this step. So this is your turn. You need to add say blocks to tell information, and then you need to add sounds. This is your turn. Okay, so the three say blocks should be put on the right or correct place. Okay, so before the bot starts to move, you should put say let's start the game for 2 seconds. So before it moves, it means here, before it moves, it means below the when the green flag click, you should put say block for 2 seconds, which tell user let's start the game. And after that, if the bot touches the red barriers, add a say block for 2 seconds, which tell the user oh no. Okay, so in this part you need to add the say blocks, maybe before go to XY. Okay, before go to XY, put the say block which say which tell the user oh no. Okay, it should be there, guys. Okay, and then the last say block, it's placed on the if block of the dark blue polygon. If the bot touches the dark blue polygon, add a say block for 2 seconds, which tell the user I win. It means that you should put here after the switch custom to bot win, the say block which tell the user that I win. Okay, so this is your turn about the say blocks. Okay, and then after that, you should add the sounds. You need two sounds. The first sound is the crash sound, which you put it if the bot touches the red berries, okay, add a crash sound. So the crash sound is put inside the if block, which crash the bot. It means it's here, okay? Before the switch custom or after the switch custom, after the wait block, okay. After the wait block, you put the add sound, and then you put the say block, which say, oh no, just like the previous meeting, guys. And then the last sound is play sound win, which make the game more interesting to tell user that they win the game with a sound. Okay, so this is the signs of the winning the game. Okay, so play sound win until dawn. You should put it inside the if block, which set if the bot touches the dark polygon. Okay, so it means here put the sound after switch custom bot win. Okay, so your turn is to set the say blocks and the sound. I have told you these steps, so please complete these blocks with the say blocks and the sound blocks, and then you just need to send this project to the final test semester 1 project. Okay, don't forget there are 3 ways to do it. Okay, let's see on the rubric. You can submit the link. Make sure the link can be opened. If you cannot share the link, you can share or submit a file. Make sure the file can be opened. Okay, the link or file should have complete blocks. All the blocks and what I ask you to do after you follow me, you should put the say blocks and the sounds block. And then here, if you cannot share or send a link or file, you can send the project video or photo of all blocks and the stage. It should be complete, guys. The blocks and the stage. If you submit the video or photo, yeah, make sure you record or text photos of all project parts, including blocks and the stage. Okay, so you can see in this part, there is a score points if you complete all of the blocks. If you complete all of them, you will get the total of the point. The total of the point is 61. So this is the way to get your score. If you complete all blocks and what I ask you to add on the blocks, okay, the say blocks and the sound blocks, if you do it all of them, you will get 100. Okay, it means that your score is complete 61. Okay, 61 per 61 times 100, it means that you get the score of 100. Okay, make sure you complete all of them. So guys, until this the video, thanks for your attention and good luck. By the way, maybe if you need my number, I put it here. Feel free to chat me on WhatsApp. Okay, don't forget to introduce your name and tell me where you come from. The name of the class, the name of your class. Okay, bye guys. Thank you.